Hello, it's Abby from Volkswagen Van Centre Oldham, and today I'll be walking you through this approved used vehicle. This is the Volkswagen Caddy Maxi Life 2.0 TDI 122 PS, and it currently has around 13,443 miles on the clock with one previous owner. And it comes painted in the stunning Costa Azul finish, which looks absolutely fantastic, with a VW badge detailing that's in the front and the rear of the vehicle. To minimise risk of damaging the vehicle in any way, the powerful dual mirrors do fold them unlocked. And here are our stunning wheels, which do complement the exterior finish very well, while offering a very stylish look to the van. As we access the boot, you'll notice we have a fantastic and spacious boot size with our lashing rings across the surface of the floor, and you'll benefit from the lighting in the ceiling for the added visibility. Also, you can pull the seats forward to maximise your boot capacity. Following on, we can see this Caddy reads has some lovely and well-maintained interior. As you can see, we have ISOFIX points at the back and our foldable tables, which makes this van perfect for families. And as we access the front of the van directly, we have that comfortable interior and jam-packed van full of fantastic features. And just above the driver's seat, for your fixed panoramic glass roof, offering that dynamic driving experience. And around you can see more in detail of the driver's cockpit with plenty of interesting features that we will touch on later. Making our way inside the vehicle, you'll notice multifunction steering wheel does have a nice leather grip, and we do have automatic headlights there, ensuring that always in the correct times, alongside the controls on the driver's door handle. And just above the steering wheel with plenty of storage space to fit all your necessities. Once this fantastic van comes to life, we can now gain access to the dashboard display, where we can view key information here like our mileage, what's with the move, and we do have our assist systems featuring your cruise control and your speed limiter. Over to the infotainment screen for a wide range of options that are available for us to use. Heading to our App Connect, this offers the Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, allowing us to access driver-safe applications, including Spotify, Apple Music and navigation. Now, we all love having a fun experience while driving, and the DAB radio keeps entertained while in the move. With many different stations you choose from, you can never be bored. And finally, with this van, you do get your park pilot, offering you confidence while driving in those tight spaces, as the sensors and the reverse camera ensure safety, especially maneuvering out those busy places like shopping centres where parking can be really tight.